The cabin filter is located underneath your glove box. In order to access the housing, we will need to move the fuse box. Remove the bolts using a 10mm socket. Then, move the fuse box out of the way. Now you can access your housing. The housing door has two locking tabs that need to be rotated counterclockwise. Remove the old filter and clean out any debris inside the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Close the filter housing door. The housing door has two locking tabs that need to be rotated clockwise. Reinstall the fuse box with its two 10mm bolts. Reinstall the bolts.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.